Mia sitting in her room surrounded by screens displaying social media interfaces. Animated icons of likes, comments, and shares popping up around Mia. Mia receiving a text message from Emma on her phone, split screen with one side showing Emma's text and the other showing Mia's distracted face. Mia sitting on her bed, with her room dimly lit by the blue glow of her phone screen. Visual transition from the real world to the digital world, with surroundings fading into the background. Family and friends gathered in a room, all absorbed in their devices. Jake holding a drawing, looking disappointed as Mia barely acknowledges him. Mia's phone showing a low battery warning. Close-up of Mia's distressed face as her phone's screen fades to black. Mia walking in a serene park with trees, birds, and sunlight, changing camera angles to showcase Mia's contemplative expressions and the beauty of nature. Mia and Eleanor engaged in conversation on the bench, animated dialogue, bubbles, and hand gestures reflecting their animated conversation. Eleanor sitting on a park bench, smiling warmly. Mia approaching Eleanor, curiosity and interest in her eyes. Mia and Emma sitting on a couch, Mia animatedly sharing her experience. Visual cues like nodding and empathetic expressions from Emma. Mia surrounded by friends and family in a cheerful gathering. Animated interactions, laughter, and Mia using her smartphone to capture the moment. Mia surrounded by friends and family in a cheerful gathering. Animated interactions, laughter, and Mia using her smartphone to capture the moment. Thank you for watching The Digital Awakening on Pro Guide Studio. If you enjoyed this animated story and want to explore more captivating content, don't forget to subscribe and follow our channel. Stay up to date with our latest videos on technology, storytelling, and more. Join our community of curious minds who value engaging narratives and informative insights. Hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon to never miss an update from Pro Guide Studio. Be a part of our journey as we delve into exciting stories and knowledge. And don't forget to follow us on social media for behind-the-scenes peeks, discussions, and interactive content. Connect with us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, Pro Guide Studio. Thank you for being a part of the Pro Guide Studio community. Your support fuels our passion for creating meaningful and inspiring content. Stay curious, stay informed, and join us in exploring the world of knowledge and storytelling. Until next time,